Do you want to actually make 100x on your money? Well, that's good news, because guess what? The crypto market is actually giving you the chance right now to level the playing field with the big money VC crowd, with all the insiders. And I want to explain in this video how that is happening, because essentially a truckload of promising altcoins are trading at or below private sale prices, giving you the chance to get involved in some of these coins that literally have the chance to do 100x returns in the next bull run, maybe more. In this video, I want to give you a few of those coins to kind of, take a look at, put your eyes on, as well as how to actually find some of these hot coins with high potential yourself. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all of that information. My name's Lark. I make videos talking about investing. If you do like that topic, then please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to find a 100x coin for big gains in the next bull run, then smash the thumbs up button to let us all know that that is your plan for making it big. Okay, now let's get into this. And I want to start off by talking about a short list of coins that I think are interesting, that I like. And I actually shared these in the newsletter a few weeks ago, by the way. So if you do like this kind of content, then you should definitely consider signing up to the newsletter. We talk about this kind of stuff and NFTs and altcoin reviews and much, much more. And by the way, it's free to sign up, so check it out using the link below in the description. And a quick warning, obviously we have to talk about this before we start. While the market dump has produced a lot of buying opportunities to pick up some hot coins at near public sale, or even near private sale, or even in some situations near seed sale prices for some of these newer coins that they launched later into the cycle, or they launched when the market was actually already crashing, and it's been a rough ride for some of these coins. I want you to keep crystal clear in your mind the following. Not all of the altcoins are going to survive the bear market. In fact, quite a few of them are going to go to zero. So really keep that in mind. And even the ones that do well in the next bull run, they could drop a lot further before seeing any upside. So do not blindly ape into anything I'm talking about in this video. Some of these coins, I think, whether it be the ones I talk about here or some others you find yourself, are going to be the next big things. And again, I'm not saying around and just throw all your money into these, but perhaps you might like a short list of coins to go and research, check out some more, to consider. Maybe you think they're worth putting your money into, maybe not. You have to do your own research and make that decision. But just remember, these low cap altcoins, these are the coins that have the potential to make those literal 100x gains during the next bull run. Now let's talk coins. Here are some examples of coins that present, I think, some real opportunities for investors. First, we have Illumia. Now this is an open world RPG kind of game, basically play to earn game backed by Alameda and Animoca and Crypto.com. Very interesting game. I like the graphics of it. The public sale is 5 cents, the private sale is 4 cents, and the current price, 2 cents. 2 cents. Meaning that you can pick this up for half off what the private sale investors paid for this. Pretty smoking deal if you think the game's going to be successful. Another game I like is Decimated. It's like a dystopian future sci-fi shooter game. It's backed by Spartan, backed by Huobi, Alameda, among other big investors. The private sale for this coin, 4 cents. The current price of this coin is like 3 cents. So another game worth checking out if you do like the gaming space. I'm a big fan on the gaming space. I think it's going to be absolutely massive. We have also Monkey Ball, which is a play-to-earn monkey sports game. Yeah, it's as simple as that idea sounds, but it's a cool idea regardless. Consistently building. They're backed by big players like Griffin and Solana Ventures. The current price is 4x over the private sale, which was 2.5 cents. So no, definitely not as cheap in terms of that value compared to the last two we talked about, but still worth noting. It's a cool looking game. Do you like the metaverse? Do you think the metaverse is going to be a big thing? Well, you can, of course, buy something like the Sandbox, which has a multi-billion-dollar market cap, or you can look at something like Solus, which is a Solana metaverse coin with big backers like Alameda and Animoca. The public sale for this coin was 7 cents. The private sale for this coin was 5 cents. At the time of writing, the price is around 6 cents approximately. That's an interesting opportunity. How about NFTs? Do you like NFTs and gaming? What about putting those together? Well, Breeder DAO is a factory for gaming assets. It's got big backers like A16Z, Delphi, the private sale was 10 cents, the current price is 12 cents, so almost there. Maybe you're keen on big data. Think data is going to be like the oil of the internet, right? Well, Siri Network is a data ownership protocol backed by BINANCE Labs, backed by Arrington, amongst other big players. Public sale price was 3 cents. Current price, less than a cent. Crazy. We're even starting to see some smoking hot deals on coins like Immutable X, for example. And this is a layer 2 scaling solution for NFTs and gaming in particular. Got some big partnerships like a TikTok and stuff. Really cool games like Illuvium, backers like Coinbase and Arrington. Now this one's not on as much of a sale. The private sale was 10 cents for this, but the current price is like a little over $1, something like that. So not exactly a fire sale, but way below where it came out in the market 6-8 months ago whenever it debuted. So again, worth keeping an eye on, especially if the prices come down more for it during the bear market. These are just a few examples. Some coins that I personally like. There are quite a few more tokens out there with good teams, good products, good market fit, good backers, etc., that are currently on sale. And maybe you think all these coins that I mentioned are crap. That's fine, that's your opinion. Just because I like something doesn't mean you should buy it, without a doubt. Well, then feel free to look for some coins for yourself. And here's a guide on how you can do that. There's a few tips on how you can do that. First, look for cheap coins, obviously, but that's a low market cap coin. Ideally, something under the $50 million market cap range. But the real 100x deals, they're under $10 million market cap coins. Sure, they're the highest risk, but they're also the highest opportunity. A good site to use for finding deals is CryptoRank.io. Now, the reason I like this tool is that they show you the token sale price for a lot of tokens, not all tokens, but a lot of tokens. So it lets you know where you're at when you're buying in terms of matching up with the private sale investors and stuff. One example is Efinity. So you can see the public price, you can see the price that strategic investors paid, you can even see the prices that seed investors paid. So that's a pretty cool tool. Another thing to look for is backers. Yes, I know VCs can be a double-edged sword. They do not always get it right either, so you do have to keep that in mind. But when I see somebody like Binance or Coinbase or Galaxy Digital have come out and invested in a particular coin, to me that's noteworthy. To me it says somebody's done some interesting due diligence on this, somebody saw something of value here. Remember, these guys have truckloads of money. And if a project cannot actually attract any top tier investors, then you have to ask yourself why. It's not like the VCs don't have the money to throw some money at it. Might be a red flag, right? What red flags did they find why they didn't invest in this coin? What about a project's social media channels? They see just because a coin is cheap and it has good backers, it's not enough. It's not enough. Let's take a look, for example, at Monkey League to kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about here. See, they still post very regularly on their social media channels. Their posts get engagement. People like their posts. People comment on their post. They even just announced a $24 million Series A funding round for a coin, by the way, that has a $10 million market cap right now. Just understand that difference. The interest is there in spite of the market. And of course, dig in to find out the progress of the project. Now that's going to involve a little bit more legwork, but is the team still delivering? Are they making progress? Are the deadlines being missed? Is there no delivery in sight, right? All this stuff are these questions you can ask yourself when looking for these cheap altcoins that might be on a great discount. Some of the best projects, some of the top projects of the last bull run were the ones who stayed, the ones who kept their noses down to the grindstone and kept building during the last bear market. The buyers of today are going to be the millionaires of tomorrow. That's how bear markets work, and that's how the bull market's going to work next time. When everybody's wishing they'd bought cheap coins, you have that opportunity right now. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are you looking to scoop up any low cap altcoins during the bear market, or are you sticking to the top coins only? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.